some correction in your mind while doing, just think, believe that I can't do anything. Have you seen any dead body doing anything? No. Have you seen any dead body chanting Rudram? And if dead body stood up and start chanting, will you stay there to watch? So dead body doesn't chant because the person, the power inside the body used to chant is away, out of the body. So it says, Mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham. We say my hand, my tummy, my cheek, my hair, my hand, my body. To make this sentence, you have to have two things, one me and one mind. If this is my body, then who am I? So this body is mine, then who am I? So we think, when I sleep, my body is sleeping. Who dreams? Okay, so who gets happy and happy? So body, my man. We say my man, mera man. It means I am not man. My eyes means I am not eyes. My ears means I am not ears. Mano, buddhi, my wisdom. We have discussed difference between mind, man and buddhi. So that's even for you. You have interest. The difference between man and buddhi, Venkatji. So difference between man and buddhi is man, sankalpa, vikalpatmakam manah. Nischayatmika buddhi. The man is which is confused, always confused. Should I chant loud or slow? So man is always confused, but buddhi is nischayatmika buddhi. Man confuse you, man makes you confused, but buddhi gives you that power to decide, no, what is good, what is bad, what to do, what not to do. So difference between man and buddhi, but my buddhi, my man, I am not man, I am not buddhi. Mano buddhi ahankar, it's a my ego, means I am not ego. Ego is something imposed. When I think, you know what is ego? What is ego? Okay, I am the most handsome Pandit in Auckland. Okay, just take it, don't take it like serious. Kshetranji, for you, how old I am? Do you think how old I am?
21.
No. No, you tell how old I am, according to you.
Late 30s?
Like 30, and how old are you?
29.
29. So how can you call me uncle?
Sorry.
Okay, so listen. So mano buddhi ahankar is ego. What is ego? I am the most handsome priest in Auckland. This is not ego. Only I am the most handsome priest in Auckland. Try to make difference between those two statements. I am the most handsome priest in Auckland. Only I am the most handsome priest in Auckland. Do you make difference in those two sentences? I chant in the best way. Only I chant in the best way. Two different statements. When someone thinks that nobody is there, only me, that is called ego. But I chant nicely, this is called self-respect. The swabhiman or abhiman mein difference hota hai. Swabhiman is something different from abhiman. Shastra says, be swabhimani, but don't be abhimani. So, this is my ego, but I am not ego. So, mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham na karanam na jiva. My tongue, I am not tongue. Mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham na karanam na jiva na jagrana netre na chabhyoma bhumi na tejo na vayuhu chidananda rupaha shivoham. Shivoham, then who am I? This body is constructed using 5 elements. I am not five elements. I am something different from those 5 elements. Who am I? The Chidananda Rupaha. Something Sat, Chit, Ananda. Like Sat means which always exists. Body doesn't always exist. But Sat always means Atma. And Atma, the final one. What do you understand from Atma? Like Chinkari, sparkle. क्या बोलते हैं जी? जब छटक के जाता है, spark from fire. So, okay, spark is also fire. A drop is also water. Spark is also fire. Like that, Atma is also spark, like separated from that Paramatma. If spark goes out, put it back into the fire, it's fire. Like that, Atma separated from that Paramatma, put it back, it becomes Paramatma. This is what Uttar Vedanta, like Uttar Mimamsa. Uttar Mimamsa, there are so many Uttar Mimamsa, like Sri Vaishnava, Ramanuj Sampradaya, Nimbak Sampradaya. Keshwanji, Raghavanji, look up Raghavanji. Look his forehead, trademark on his forehead. And look one trademark behind you, on forehead. And look one trademark here, Kishorji. And look one trademark like here. So all those are Vaishnavas. I come from Shankar Sampradaya, Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji, this way. So like Sri Vaishnava, Advaita, Visishtadvait, Dvaitadvait, that so many different types of Vedanta. Venkat ji come from Visishtadvait. सही है, पर आपके गुरुजी तो ऐसे वाले हैं, अच्छा वो ऐसे वाले हैं, अरे ठीक है, तो हमारे ही ग्रुप के हैं फिर. So this is Vedanta. So Ambika ji requested me to say few words about this verse. I explained only one verse. There are 6 more. So maybe some other time. Now we have some Avahit Devta. Will do a woman for that, and then the